Tomorrow is my final exam. The snow hasn't stopped all evening.
And then the power went out.
It's so quiet.
Let's check upstairs.
I heard something.
Stay close.
We found candles. It wasn't enough light, but it was enough.
It's perfect.
For a moment, I wasn't sure I could do this.
They trusted me. They always have.
But what if we fail?
We won't. We have each other.
The storm outside grew louder, but inside, it became quiet. The power never came back that night, but I didn't need it. The light felt fragile. So did I.
They were asleep, but I knew they were there.
The power never came back.
But something else did.
Breakfast is almost ready.